Hello everyone. What is dropshipping? It's an e-commerce retail model where the seller doesn't keep any product, instead ordering directly from the supplier. When an order is received, this means that the seller takes less risk because he doesn't have to worry about inventory and only order when he has a commitment from a customer. To put it simply, dropshipping is a popular business model that allows you to run an online store without stock. It helps you to sell products directly from the wholesaler to the customer. As a retailer, all you have to do is maintain an online store and product listing. You don't need to hold any stock. That gives you peace of mind dealing with packaging and shipment. Think of it as a three-step process. In the first step, customer places an order through your store. In the second step, you as a retailer transfer the order to the supplier. In the final step, supplier delivers the product directly to the customer. Alright, let's go a little deeper into it to understand how it really works. There are three main components in a dropshipping: supplier, store and customer. First of all, you need to find a supplier or wholesaler who will be responsible for your order fulfillment and holding the physical product. One of the most popular suppliers is AliExpress, but you can find plenty of others like Alibaba, Doba, and so on. Online store. This is the actual e-commerce store where customer will place their order. You just need to upload the product pictures, details, and a short description. There are different e-commerce platforms available who are providing online store opportunity such as Wix, BigCommerce, Squarespace, and so on. However, Shopify is the best one. Most of the people are using this platform. You can also choose eBay and Amazon, but they have very strict dropshipping policies. They might suspend your account if you don't follow the rules. Finally, the customer, most important component of dropshipping, who will place an order. After an order is placed, you will get a notification and you will transfer it to your supplier who will ship the product. You only need to pay your supplier when a customer makes the payment. Let's take an example for a better insight. Let's suppose you have opened an online store on Shopify and made an agreement with AliExpress. Then you go to AliExpress website to pick a product to sell at your own store. Let's say you want to sell a camera, so you download a camera picture from AliExpress and upload it at your own store along with features. They were selling this camera for $100, but you can set at your own price, let's say $150. When a customer comes at your store for shopping, likes the camera and places an order, she pays you $150 and leaves her address for delivery. So what do? You transfer all her details to AliExpress and pay them $100 for that camera. You keep $50 as profit. Once they receive money, they will deliver the product to your customer. You actually work as a middleman between buyer and seller and earn handsome profit by selling someone else's product. Apparently, all the process looks easy, but behind the scene it's a little complicated. For example, how you will bring traffic on your store and how you will promote your product. To do this, most of the people are doing paid promotions on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. If you know SEO and email marketing, then you can save this money. One more thing, you must have a PayPal account for transactions. Unfortunately, in Pakistan it's not available, so you can ask your family and friends who are living abroad. They can make it for you. It's not a big deal. Last but not the least, when you will open an online store on Shopify, they will charge you some fee, around $25 to $30 per month. Different e-commerce platforms charge different prices. Before you start dropshipping business, I would recommend you should take at least couple of classes on dropshipping from anywhere in the world so you could get practical experience. Alright, dropshipping has plenty of benefits. Common ones include low investment, scalability, flexibility, minimum risk, no hassle for storage and shipping. Drawbacks include high competition, no control over product, tight profit margins, long delivery time. The bottom line is dropshipping is an exceptional way to have your own business. It has now become a highly profitable e-commerce business that can be started with a little investment. Alright, so this wraps up today's video. I hope you will like this informative video. If you do, please subscribe.